Guys, so today I have something to unbox over here. I just get a new watch from MSTR, or their real name is MSTR watch, I believe. Yeah, go check them out. Look at this hashtag and the Instagram, and they have the page as well. Okay, let's open it up right now. I got the black color. It's a Nobel. It's an automatic watch. Okay. It came with a really nice box over here, as you can see it. It's called MSTR and this their logo over here. And it came with a watch instruction, and also came with a certificate of the authenticity. It's all numbered, and it also comes with an extra link. If it's too small for you, you can edit up more. And now let's look at the watch. I got the all black version. Yeah, you can see a little bit bluish because of the sapphire glass. Yeah, it's all stainless steel. Okay, it's an automatic watch, and yeah, you can see it from the back case. You can see it's automatic, and I believe it's a limited edition. And I don't know if you can see it. It's supposed to be numbered, but let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, you can see it's 94 out of 500, limited edition. Zoom it out back again. Okay, it's an automatic watch, and let's check it out for a while. It's a butterfly colps, so you can see this is how it looks like in my wrist. It looks pretty awesome actually. It feels kind of heavy, but well, the build quality is really nice, and yeah, it's an awesome one. Thank you for watching, guys.